Very good morning once again. Yeah, good morning. Just a minute. Okay. So yesterday, see this one yesterday we discussed now number of real roots. This one completed yesterday. This one see, this one also completed. From 2n consecutive positive integers. In the place of 2n, they can give 2n plus 1 also. Anything 2n plus 1. This one also completed. This is the example 1 to 20. Yeah, see, from 2n plus 1 consecutive positive integers are there. I told you this one practice yourself. Probably that they are in AP. Anyone getting this one? See. So please write down. Dear students, see. Let S be a finite sample space associated with a random experiment. Okay. Then we are defining one function. What is the function? F maps P to P of S. See carefully, real valued function from what is given? Just a minute. Real valued function means what here? P from power set. What is the power set here? S2 into real numbers. It is a function defined. So is called probability function on S if P satisfies the following three axioms. See, students, one. What is the axiom of positivity for any subset of S? I mean, A is subset of S. Then what is the probability of A? That is close interval 0, 1. Events E1, E2, E3, and so on like that. Choose any one event. What is the probability of such a particular event? That the range is always 0 to 1. P of S is equal to 1 means what? That is the sure event. That's the meaning. Rest of the cases, see, dear students. So I am choosing some particular objects, subsets. A1, A2. A1, comma A2 belongs to S. How are they? Disjoint sets. Then this value is 0. These properties are very important. Actually, what is the property? Minus is there. Here in this case, minus 0. Why? Because A1 intersection A2 is how much? Pi. That means P of A1 intersection P of A2 is equal to P of pi. P of pi is how much? Impossible event. That's why 0. Clear. Second point, see. In general, taking n disjoint sets of yes, then what is the result? Is the answer. So symbolically, how to write? This one. That's the meaning. So dear students, this is the AI. If S consists of n equally likely elementary events, and A is one of the elementary event of S, then what is the P of A1? 1 by n. P of A2, P of A3, and so on up to P of An. Why is equal to 1 by n? Because equally likely means what? Same. 1 by n is coming each part. So today we are going to discuss about number of problems. Time is very less for us. Write down. See, dear students, what is the answer? A box contains 10 mangoes, out of which 4 are rotten. 2 mangoes are taken together. If one of them is found to be good, then the probability that other one is also good. How? What is the meaning? So box contains C. In the box there are, how many mangoes are there totally? Oh, shit. How many mangoes are there? There are 10 mangoes, dear students. So in this case, 6 are good. 4 are rotten. Rotten means idea is there. What is the meaning rotten? Damaged. So what is sample space? Anyone? What is sample space? None of yes. Anyone? So suppose both are good. That means what you choose? 2 mangoes out of 6. That's the meaning. Clear? And another one is good, one is bad. Maybe chances. So 6C1 into 4C1. Now concept is, what about favorable cases? What do you mean? Both mangoes are good, they're asking. What is the probability? Both mangoes are good. That means favorable case what here? Anyone? That is only 2 mangoes are good means what? You have to choose from 6 mangoes. So therefore, required probability is, what is the answer? Sample space means what? 6C2 plus 6C1 into 4C1 by number of favorable cases. That is the answer. Yeah. So simplify. What the answer is coming? 6C2 is how much, anyone? 6 5 is 30. That means 15. It's 15, 24. So 15 by 39. So answer is 5 by 13. Option C. Yeah, good, Pawan. Two rotten means how it is possible? Mohan Kumar, see the question carefully. Probably that other one is also good. Good enough being 6 kelto, 4 kelto. Only 6. They're asking both mangoes are good. Okay, I'm changing the question, dear students. See, probably that other one is rotten. Then what is your answer? Other one is rotten means what? Try. Now see, dear students, note. Previous one, try yourself. Now what is the asking? When n pair coins are tossed, the probability of getting exactly are heads or tails. So this is the formula. NCR by 2 power n. Okay. Second one. When n pair coins are tossed, the probability of getting at least one head or tail. That means what is the formula? 1 minus 1 by 2 power n. So this concept is, I'm writing here students see. This is nothing but P of E is equal to 1 minus P of E dash. Getting at least one head means what? 1 minus no head. So how many ways? That is only one. Means no head means what? All the faces what? Tails. That means what? 1 minus 1 by 2 power n. That is the meaning. So write down. So to discuss, time is not there. A coin is tossed m plus n times, m greater than n. Then the probability of getting at least some consecutive heads. For example, consecutive means what they're asking like that. That's the meaning. The coin is tossed 7 times. If I'm giving question C, in the place of this one, a coin is tossed 7 times. Then what is the probability of getting at least 4 consecutive heads? Apply this one. 7 times means, and 4 consecutive head means what is the meaning here? So this was 7 means we should write 4 plus 3. So what is the n? N is 3. M is 4. That is the answer. Right on, take the slide. So I'm recording this one, don't worry. See, this is the formula. A coin is tossed 7 times, then the probability of getting at least 4 consecutive heads is that the meaning. What is the answer? This is the formula. For practicing. See, dear students, this one. When 2 paired dice are rolled, then the number of favorable cases to get the sum. Forget the formula, just see how to approach. So, dear students, rolling 2 dice means what is the formula concept here? Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. First one, second one. Now they can ask anything. Sum of the digits on their faces is less than 1. I mean, less than 10, greater than 5. Okay, now, so how to find this one? See, question number 1, see. Greater than or equal 10. So generally, what is the sample space anyone? You're getting 1, comma 1, 1, comma 2, 1, comma 3, and so on, 6, comma 6. Then the number of elements in the sample space anyone? 30, 36. Rolling 3 dice, anyone? That is 6 cube. Fine. Greater than or equal 10. Suppose this is x, this is the y. They're asking favorable cases. Over there, x plus y greater than or equal to 10. Where is that? I can choose 4, 6. See? Next, greater than or equal to 10. Next what? 5, 5. Next, 6, 4. Next, 5, 6. Next, 6, 5. Next, 6, comma 6. So, number of favorable cases. Anyone tell me? 6. N of S, 6 square. Therefore, required probability is equal to 6 by 6 square. 1 by 6. But every time if you're writing like this only, it's very complicated. That's why you should remember the formulas. Otherwise, you can follow the procedure. Whichever you want, which one is easy, you can follow that one. Okay. So what is the meaning? Sum is suppose they're asking 2 to 7. Sum is getting 2. Maximum less 7. Then you should use k minus 1. Now that is the number of favorable cases. So what is the case they're asking? 10. 10 means 8 to lies between 8 to 12. So 13 minus 10 is how much coming? Number of favorable cases. Check it. That is the answer. But procedure sometimes depending on the question you have to use procedure or okay na? I can give one more question. See. So three paired dice are rolled. The number of favorable cases to get the sum is k. Number of favorable cases. But in this case, it's very complicated actually. Three paired dice means what? What is sample space? You know, I'm writing C. 1 comma 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1 comma 2. 1 comma 6 comma 1 and so on. 6 comma 6 comma 6. So totally how many are there, dear students? Sample space, can you guess? 6 cube 2 1 6. This one. Now they are asking sum is at least 10. At least sum in this case what here? Be careful in this one. At least 10 means what now? You can get 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. Maximum is what? 18 is possible sum. Because 3 times means 6. 3 into 6, 18. What are the favorable cases? See, dear students, sum is possible. Be careful. Number of favorable cases. Getting 10 means 27. Like that. In previous case also, see, getting 10 means what here? Sum is getting 10 means I can get 10, 11, 12. Getting 10 means what are the possible cases? 3. Getting 11 means 13 minus 11, 2. 13 minus 12, 1. So there are 6 cases are there. Like that here, leave it. Now here also. So favorable cases, what are there? Getting some 10. Getting 10 means how many cases? 27. Like that. Getting at least 10. 11. Getting 11 means what is the answer? 27. 12. 13. And so on. Sum is getting 18. 12 is also how much? Verify. How much coming? 25. You can verify this one. Like that. Add them. Answer is coming 135. So therefore, required probability. So based on this one, very rare case they're asking. Okay, rolling the 3 dice means very complicated. Generalizing. Required probability is what? 135 by 216. You can get 5 by 18. Okay. Now see. శైలు ఏంటిది మొత్తం ఎగిరిపోయింది క్లాస్ అంతా దారిద్రం ఇదేంటి కంపు మీద కూర్చుంటే మొత్తం పోయింది క్లాస్ అంతా పోయింది డిస్కనెక్ట్ పోయింది మొత్తం క్లాస్ పోయింది మళ్ళీ స్టార్టింగ్ రావాలి ఇప్పుడు పోయింది అంతా డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయిపోయింది Sorry for the distance. Yeah. Dear students, see, probably regarding n letters and n envelopes. If n letters are C, this concept is what you know? A dearrangement concept, that is the C. All the letters are in right envelopes is 1 by n factorial. Sample is what here? How many ways can arrange the letters n factorial? But all the letters are in the right envelopes means only one way. Favorable case. That is the answer. So exactly one letter in wrong envelope means what? That is not possible. 0. Third case C. P of E is equal to 1 minus P of E dash. P of E dash is equal to P of E. What is the answer? What is the meaning? 1 minus all the letters are in right envelopes. How many ways? That is 1 minus 1 by n factorial. That is the answer. At least one letter may be in wrong means what? So all the letters are in right envelope means reverse process. 1 minus 1 by n factorial. Yes, same rearrangement concept. Next, exactly. Our letters are in the wrong envelopes means what? NPR by this favorable cases. What is this? Sample space. That's the meaning. So this is the dearrangement. All the letters are maybe in the wrong envelopes. No one receiving their own umbrellas concept we discussed earlier. Same like this one. NPN into 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by. What is this one? This is the favorable cases. What is the formula of favorable cases? Anyone? That is dn. It is the dn by n factorial formula. Dn means what? N factorial into 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial minus 1 whole power n by n factorial whole divided by n factorial. That is the meaning. So all the letters probability that what they're asking, probability that all the letters may be in the wrong envelopes. That's what I'm saying. You should write your own notes. Make a short notes. That is the meaning. Yeah, R is equal here. Good. That's the meaning. You should identify which one is a favorable case, which one is sample space. Write our question. Okay. With the screenshot. Zero. Two persons are playing game. If P and Q are the probability of success, failure of the game in which A and B play. Okay, no? Suppose any two persons are playing. Okay, I'm writing C. So probability of success. How much? P. Probability of failure. How much? Q. So you should understand P plus Q is how much? 1. That's the meaning. Probability of success plus probability of failure is how much? 1. That's the meaning. Like P of E plus P of E dash is equal to 1. Fine. Now, if A starts a game, suppose, then what is the probability of A wins the game? So, how many times they have to play the game, win the match, anyone? Odd number of times we should play the games. Even number miss, we cannot decide. Even number miss what? Tie is coming, possibility is there. So, first one, A win the game. Yeah. So, odd number, even number miss point. Next what? Q, fail. Fail. Definitely, A will win the game. Next, Q, 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 Q. Definitely A will win the game. And so on, like that. P, Q square P, Q power P, and so on infinity. So what you are observing? probability of A win the match means P is the common factor, 1 plus Q square plus Q power 4 and so on. Infinity, these are what? Infinite GP. Okay. What are the meaning, dear students? So P into 1 by 1 minus Q square. So P by 1 minus Q square. P by 1 minus Q into 1 plus Q. Both are cancelled. 1 by 1 plus Q. Since 1 minus Q is how much? P. That is the reason. So similarly apply probability of P wins the game. That's all. Take the screenshot. I am proceeding for the next slide. Now see, this is a beautiful question. What is the meaning? Actually, you should give the formula, but I am not choosing formula, dear students. After that, I give the formula. See, it's a beautiful concept. Dear students, see, read the question. A is a set containing n elements. Okay. So choose any one subset P of A randomly. The set A is reconstructed again by replacing the elements of the subset P. Then again choose one more subset Q. Then what is the probability that P and Q have no common elements? Dear students, see, consider A is equal to A1, A2, A3 and so on, An elements are there. So in this case, what I'm doing here, P is subset of A, Q is subset of A. Then choosing some elements to form a subset P. Again, put this values in the given A. Again, you can reconstruct one more subset Q. Then what they are asking. So in this case, see 1. Choose any one element. I'm taking AI. AI belongs to P, suppose, belongs to Q. 2. I'm talking about particular any element. A belongs to P, may not be in Q. Third case. A belongs to, doesn't belongs to P. A belongs to Q. Fourth, does not belongs to P, does not belongs to Q. So dear students, now anyone, what is the sample space? Total number of ways of choosing P and Q is dash. I'm giving, what is your answer? Tell me. Dear students, here see A1, A2 and so on AN. AN I can choose where? In first case, second case, third case, fourth case. How many ways? 4. A2, 4. And so on, 4. How many times? So that is the answer. So therefore, total number of ways, how many ways? 4 power n cases are possible. 4 power n ways are there possible. A1 is there, A1, any one of the case, 4 cases, A2, 4 cases like that. Now, what about favorable cases? Anyone? Favorable case means what? There is no common element means what here? Except first case, remaining case are possible. Am I correct? Favorable case means what here? No common element. Means what? For A1, how many cases are possible? Either 2, 3, 4. That means 3 ways. A2, 3 ways. AN, 3 ways. So how many times? N times. Therefore, number of favorable cases directly I'm writing n of k is 3 power n. Therefore, required probability is, what is the answer, dear students? 3 power n by 4 power n, that is the answer. Fourth case is possible, yeah. No common element means what here? Except one remaining case are possible. Yes, one only, there is a common element possible. Rest of the cases, common element is not possible. That's the meaning. Okay. Thank you, Pawan. I am proceeding here, students. Now see. And one more thing, conclusion means my request is keep in box every time. Next one, see, these are the formulas. See, so P intersection Q contains exactly R elements means this is the formula. NCR into 3 power n minus R by 4 power n. So choose R element means how many ways? NCR into remaining how many cases are possible? 3 cases are possible. How many times? N minus R 4 times. So 3 into 3 into 3 and so on. How many times? N minus R. Like that. By sample space as usual with 4 power n. That is the meaning. 2 and 4 not possible. Why? Oh, in this case, okay, I'm talking about previous question. No, no. Yeah. I'm thinking previous question you're saying. Okay, good. P union Q is A. P union Q is equal to A means what the answer? 3 power n by Q power n. So similarly, see formula, all the formulas you can see like that. Practice is required, dear students. So I am proceeding for the next slide. Take the screenshot. Okay. Dear students, this one earlier we discussed. 2n plus 1 consecutive positive integers, 3 are selected. 3 numbers are selected. And what is the probability that they are in AP? What is the meaning? First of all, what are the possible cases? Total number of possible cases, possible outcomes. What are they? Tell me. Means number of ways of choosing three numbers. Choosing three numbers out of 2n. In how many ways anyone? Oh, 2n plus 1. Oh, yeah, 2n plus 1, C3. Fine. What about favorable cases? Let us consider x1, x2, x3 are in AP. x1 plus x3 is how much? 2 times x2. x2 can be any number, but 2 into x2 means what the answer, dear student? That is even. That means x1, x3 can be even or odd. Both are even or both are odd. Okay. Consecutive numbers means here, so you have to choose two numbers out of n plus 1. So favorable cases, anyone? Odd numbers, how many are there? N plus 1. You have to choose two. N plus 1, C2. Or how many even numbers? Exactly to n C2. That is answer. N plus 1, C2 plus n C2 is how much? Simplify. So therefore, required probability is n plus 1 C2 plus n C2 by 2n plus 1 C3. That is the answer. You can get 3n by 4n square minus 1. Don't remember the formula. Procedure is very, very important. Anyone? See the proof? No. Anyone? What is the answer? Two symmetrical. Okay, this is the DPB for you, dear students. I'm giving. Okay, doublet no. Okay, easy for you. Tell me. That is the easy question. Okay, no? Symmetrical dice. A pack of cards is distributed among four hands equally. The probability that 5 spades, 3 clubs, 3 hearts, and rest diamonds may be in particular hand. Anyone? Anyone? Anyone getting this one? See. Wow, correct. Bhavan Kumar? Yes. Now see, first of all, you should find out. There are two. How many deck of cards are there here? See, I'm writing once again. Deck of cards, 52. In this case, 13, 13, 13, 13. Means what here? Spades, clubs, like that I'm taking. Hearts, diamonds. So what is the total sample space? Anyone? Divided into 4 persons equally. Means what? Each person receives 13 cards. That means we have to distribute 13. So Number of ways. Sample space directly. What the answer? 52. You have to choose distributing 13 cards out of 52. So 52 say 13 ways you can distribute them. Fine. So favorable cases, anyone? Favorable cases. Anyone? What are they? Here students see. You have to choose 5 cards out of 13. You have to choose 3 clubs out of 13. You have to choose 3 cards out of 13. Remaining how many diamonds are required? Tell me anyone. How many cards are you have to choose diamonds? They given 5 spades, 3 clubs, 3 hearts. Remaining how many diamonds are required? Anyone? Yes, exactly 2 only. Why? So each person received 13 cards. Already 5 plus 3 plus 3. How many? 11 completed. So 11 plus 2, 13. So totally how many? 13 cards are there. So how to choose? Spades, 13C5. How to choose clubs? 13C3. 13C3 into 13C2. So therefore, required probability 13C5 into 13C3. Don't ask me what is this value. Okay, little lengthy. Simplify yourself. Option is C. Right now. So once raise your hands, all of you. Yeah, good. Hands down, please. Okay, next one. Still write down, write down. After complete, tell me. Still writing? So, anyone. So this one is also DPP question. Practice yourself. 2 cards are drawn from a well-shuffled pack of 52 cards. The probability that one is a heart card and the other is not a heart card. Simple, anyone. It's very easy. Try yourself. Doubt is there? Ask me tomorrow class. In the tomorrow class. This one also. And contains 9 balls. This also DPP question, dear students. Revise through via YouTube or I'm sharing when I'm sharing the files, you can revise. So 3 balls are drawn at random without replacement from the ordinal. Probably that 3 balls have different colors is dash. Now get ready, new concept. Dear students, see. So these things earlier already discussed in set theory. Ideas there, see. A and B are two events like that. Okay, in sample space, yes. Is the sample space. In pyramid combinations also discuss this one. See carefully. This is the B. Fine. Like that. I'm taking. Okay. Just a minute. Yeah. Possible a diagram is possible here. Curve is there? Yes. Where is the color here? Yes. Color is coming like this. Why? Okay. A, B. Like that. So dear students, in this case, see carefully. This is how to write A minus B. Or how to write A intersection B complement. Means what? A occurs, but B does not occur. That's the meaning. What is the middle one? A intersection B. Means both are happening. Both events are happening. What is this? A dash intersection B or B minus A. Clear? See. Means the event B is happening, but A is not possible. So see the diagram, see. These are very important. A union B means both are happening. Either A or B or at least one of them. A intersection B means what here? Both events are happening, common elements. Dear students, this one, N of A intersection, I'm writing here better. Be careful. N of A intersection B whole complement means what? N of S minus N of A intersection B. That's the meaning. Wait one. N of A union B whole complement means what? N of S minus N of A union B. Set theory concept. Nothing is there. So please write in these formulas. I will give. Next page I'm giving problems, formulas. First you should understand what the meaning. What the meaning? This one can write A delta B. Symmetric difference between two sets, two events here. Right on all of you? Clear? So one by one reads. Both events are happening. Neither A nor B means what? A complement intersection. These are wrong no, actually. But wrong which diagram show sorry. Here diagram is wrong. A intersection B whole complement means what here? A complement union B complement this one. That's the meaning. So this is that's the meaning. Completely wrong this one. Right? I will explain. The diagram is wrong. Change it. Okay, na? A union B whole complement means what? That's the meaning. That means here better just a minute. I'll change picture here only. Otherwise, you have to change the matter also. The diagram is wrong. This is right on A union B. Please please change it all of you. A union B. This is A intersection B. See carefully. Please change the observation. Please observe this one like that. Then only possible. Neither A nor B. Like that. Oh, correct. Right on letter? Must mercy now. Dear student, this is the addition theorem. No. Addition theorem. Just now discuss sample space is there, S is there, A is there, B is there, A, B. So I think all of you know what is the formula N of A union B. What is the formula N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Yes, students, that is the answer. So both sides divided with N of S. That is N of A union B. See? N of A union B. See? P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So this is called as addition theorem. Please remember this one. Star mark is it's very important. A and B are two unique events of a sample space, yes, subsets of. Then the probability of occurrence of either event A or B are both the events. Then event of A union B means is the formula. A and B are mutually exclusive events. Mutually exclusive means what? A intersection B is empty set. That means P of pi is 0. That means then this is the answer. Dear student, please, it's very, very important. From the equations 1 and 2, what you're getting? P of A union B is always less than or equal to P of A plus P of B. So most of the questions you can expect from this chapter, from this topic, addition theorem. Dear students, I don't see. A is subset of A union B. Then what you can say? P of A less than or equal to P of A union B. B is subset of A union B. And what do you understand? What is the meaning? That's the meaning. So from these two cases, we can write P of A or P of B less than or equal to P of A union B less than or equal to P of A plus P of B. That's the meaning. So please remember these values. Sir, what about three sets? Yeah, applicable. Maximum is 1. P of A union B is how much? Maximum is 1. That's the meaning. See. So these are very, very important, dear students. Get ready now. Practice, a lot of practice is required. If A and B are two sets, A is subset of B, then we can write P of A less than or equal to P of B. That's my given proof also. See, A comma B are two events of yes, then P of A intersection B less than or equal to P of A. How? A intersection B is always subset of A. So P of A intersection B is how much? Less than or equal to P of A. That's the meaning. P of A intersection B is also less than or equal to P of B. See, dear students, write down. This one is very, very important. There's no given C. P of exactly one of them occurs. One of the exactly means what? One of the event is happening means what? P of A intersection B complement or P of A bar intersection B. That's the meaning. So I'm writing once again, say carefully. A intersection B bar union A bar intersection B. That is the meaning. Apply this part. P of A intersection B bar means this is the formula. Write down this is the case is coming. Still, if anyone confusing, I'm writing formula for you. See. P of A intersection B bar. How to write here, student? That is P of A minus P of A intersection B. P of A dash intersection B. How to write? P of B minus P of A intersection B. Now add them. P of A intersection B dash P of A dash intersection B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus 2 times P of A intersection B. Observe this one, Venn diagrams, previous one, you can get the idea. Okay, dear students, write down. Depending on the problem, you have to use. You can use like this, or like this also, or like this also. Because P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B, you can write twice. Clear? This value is how much? That is P of A union B. The next question. So these formulas are very, very, very important here, students. Now see, you should remember all the formulas. No way. Dear students, son of, what is the meaning? A bar union B bar. What is the formula? New one. A intersection B whole complement. Am I correct? So n of U minus n of A intersection B. So similarly, if you're writing a P of A bar union B bar means what? P of S minus P of A intersection B. P of S means sure event, that is 1 minus P of A intersection B. So try to remember all the formulas like this, dear students. So similarly, second case also. So try to remember all the formulas. I'm giving some of, you should remember, at least try to remember these values. If A and B, C are mutually exclusive events, then probability of their component events will be 0. Then this is the answer. A intersection B, empty set. B intersection C, empty set, like that. Now see another one. I'm giving star mark. This is the star mark. You should remember that one. If A, B, C are 3 events, then P of exactly one of A, B, C are occurs. Means what? Anyone? How to write symbolically? See, I'm writing. Time is not there. Means what here? Exactly one. Yeah. Means what? A intersection B dash intersection C dash plus A dash intersection B intersection C plus A dash intersection B dash That's the meaning. Exactly, one of the event is happening. That is the meaning. Dear students, write down. This is the formula. So remember this all the formulas. Now see last one. See everyone. Mutually exclusion exhaustive. Mutual exclusion exhaustive means what here? The union of all these sets events is coming sample space, but intersection is empty. Get ready for we'll discuss some questions. Ready. See anyone. What is the answer? Akhil, Maurya, anyone? Saiswar, Kumar. A die is thrown. Let A be the event that the number obtained is greater than 3. B be the event that the number obtained is less than 5. Then P of A union B, anyone. That's simple, yeah. Shall I explain? Yeah, listen. That right anyway. First one is here. What is the event element? Tell me. Less than greater than 3 means what? 4, 5, 6. Okay. Obtain less than 5 means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. That means this is 4. That's the meaning. So, dear students, they're asking P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay. If you're observing here, A and B are what? Adjustive events. See, A union B is how much? If you're observing anyone, A union B is how much? S is coming. So these are not mutually exclusive events, only adjustive events. So P of A anyone? 3 by 6. Favorable case is 3. So sample space is 6. What are the S? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus P of B, 4 by 6. Minus, is there any common element? Only 1. That is the answer. So how much is coming? 6 by 6. That is the answer. So option is, answer is what? 1. Yeah, correct. Answer is check it once. Yeah, Pawan, Rakshit, correct, absolutely. Answer is 1 is coming. AW 2008. You should add extra knowledge. What is that? A comma B are what? Adjust to events. This type of observation is very, very important. Extra knowledge, that is extra point. Okay. Next question. Now I've got some discussion questions. Get ready. Take the pen, rub book, hurry up. See the solution. Anyone. If A and B are two events such that P of A is equal 1 by 4. P of A and B is 1 by 3. And P of B is given some value P, then what is the value of P if A is subset of B? Anyone? Shall I explain? Yeah, Rakshit, super. Yeah, good. What is the logic here? Given. Write down solution. Given. A is subset of B means what is the meaning, dear students? A union B is how much? Must be B only. Clear? That means what is the value of A union B? Here B. Is equal how much P is given? 5. What is the P of A union B? That is also 1 by 3. Option 4. That's all. Anyone. How to find? Suppose that A and B are two even. Excuse me. Such that P of A intersection B is equal to 3 by 25. P of B minus A is equal to 8 by 25. Then P of B is equal to. Very good, yeah. Rakshit, keep it up. How to solve? Yeah. Yeah, good. Practicing good, very good. So what is the logic here? See, P of B minus A. What is the meaning? P of B intersection A dash. That's all. What is the meaning? That is P of B minus P of A intersection B is equal to P of B minus A. Simple. So P of B minus A is how much? 8 by 25. P of B minus 3 by 25. Therefore, yes, no, given a formula C. So option is A. Next question. This is the formula. Similarly, P of A minus B means P of A minus P of A intersection B. Anyone? What is the answer? Two events A and B have the probability is 0.25 means better write down given. P of A is how much? 1 by 4. P of B is how much? 1 by 2. Okay. So the probability that both the events occur simultaneously means what? That is P of A intersection B is equal to 0.14. Then what they are asking, anyone? Neither A nor B means what? Anyone? A bar intersection B bar. A bar intersection B bar means what the formula? 1 minus P of A union B old as. Sorry. Old as is not required, no, remove. That's all. How? Demarcus formulas. 1 minus, what is P of A union B formula? P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So put these values, that is the answer. So 1 minus P of is how much? 0.25 minus 0.5 plus 0.14. How much is coming? Tell me, anyone? So 0.5. Okay, 1.14. How much is coming here? Anyone? 0.3. Yeah, correct. 0.39. So option is here. So dear students, practice is required. What are the formulas? Right, writing once again. See, A union B, hold as idea is there. A complement intersection B complement like that. De Morgan laws. Get ready? Anyone? Last question. A, B, C are mutually exclusive events and exhaustive events also of a random experiment such that P of B is equal to 3 by 2 into P of A and P of C is equal like that. What is the answer? Anyone? Solution. Since. How to solve? A, B, C are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. What the meaning? A union B union C is equal to S and A intersection B intersection C is how much? Empty. And one more thing. I think all of you know P of A plus P of B plus P of C is how much, anyone? That is always 1. Sum of all the probabilities, all the events are subsets of S means sum of all their probabilities is 1. Now, so what to do here, anyone? Fine. They're asking P of A union C. Take one is any one value is X. How to find? P of A, okay, plus P of B is how much? 3 by 2 P of A. Plus P of C is how much? 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 into P of A is equal to 1. So P of A is how much? 1 plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 1, dear students. So simplify. 4 by anyone. What the LCM is coming? 4 plus 6 plus 3. So I think 13 is coming. Yeah. Now get the point. Therefore, anyone. P of A union C, what is the formula? P of A plus P of C minus 0. Why? Because A intersection C is empty set. So what is the value of P of A? 4 by 13 plus P of C is how much, anyone? Simplify. 3 by 4 into 4 by 13 is coming. Check it. 30 is the answer is P. 7 by 13. That is the answer. Option C. Yeah, good size work. Well done. Well done. Assis. Come on. Check it. Yeah. So enough for this class, dear students.